Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some outgoing mail. This mail is about to be packaged up and ready to go to its new owner. So I wanted to share with you guys what I did and what's inside and all the deets. So this idea was originated by Sabrina Ann. I will have her video linked down below of the tutorial of how to create this. I think she calls it the ultimate pen pal mail because it consists of like all three, like the flip book, the pocket letter, and goodies all in one. But it really all depends on how you switch it up and make it yourself, like your own style, which is what I did with this one. So yeah, let me share with you guys what it looks like. I used I think it's the Michaels paper pad, the travel one that came out, I think right before Christmas. And that's what the paper, I think the majority of the paper is of the collection. I don't remember exactly the name of the paper pad, but I will have that linked down below as well because I don't remember it offhand. So this is what it looks like, you guys, and this is using like a grocery bag. I'll show you at the end once I empty it out. So in here I made some envelopes. As you can see, there's two. Inside this one I put a letter for the recipient. I decorated it with some tags. I decorated some little tags over here too, being that it's like that travel theme. And then in here, I'm not going to take out anything, but in here I just have some goodies for the recipient as well. And then I put just like a little clip right here. This is what it looks like inside. And I'm going to show you guys how I packaged some of the stuff. I put some crinkle paper just to make it look pretty. I might post this video after she receives it because I don't want to ruin the surprise. So in here I packaged up some like frames and the like chipboard. And I just put friends right there. And then I want the little, hold on 1 second. Let me fix this little bag right here. And there's this cute little like handmade bag that I made. And then inside I added some goodies as well. And then I just packaged up some of the Tim Holtz. Some of the Tim Holtz little creepy people, I call them. And some stickers. And then a little pack of ephemera. Packaged up some more stickers. Cute little list pad. This cute little die cut. I put these cute little stickers in there. It's like some travel stickers. Let's see what else we have. I included this cute little typewriter shaker. Isn't that cute, you guys? And then I also included a little package of embellishments and some tags. You guys saw I made these before. And then this is what the folder is looking like. And then back here, if you guys can see those, they're just two handmade envelopes that she can use like altered, and she can use for anything. Oh, here's another little shaker. This is what the altered little envelope looks like, and she can use that for whatever she wants. And here's the other one. That's the back. She can either share it with a pal or just keep it for herself. So I put those clipped up in the back so they don't move. And then you guys, that's what the inside looks like. There's more little crinkle paper in there. And then there's a pocket back here. And I made her a pocket letter. And this is what it looks like. It has little pom-poms on here, a little mini shaker. And yeah, you guys, that's everything inside this little ultimate pen pal mail. I hope my pen pal enjoys it and loves it as much as I do, and I had so much fun creating it. Oh, and this is the bag. This is what I did in the bag. And it's just basically like a grocery bag folded up. You guys definitely should check out the video. It's a good idea. And it's a little bit more than the norm that you send in Happy Mail, but if you have that special someone that always sends you nice packages like I do, my girls always spoil me, so I like to send back something the same way. So yeah, you guys, that's today's video. Short and sweet and to the point. If you guys want to try this out, definitely check out the tutorial down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.